When that alarm clock goes off, there's at least 50% of the time where that soft little pillow is just caressing your head and you want to stay there. And it takes discipline to go, nope, I'm going to get up out of this bed and I'm going to do what I'm supposed to do. And that discipline that you have at that moment, you win that fight. That's a big victory. That pattern will carry out throughout the day, because once you're up, well, now that I'm up, I might as well go work out because I'm already up and I feel good that I got up out of bed and I won that battle. Let me go win another battle. I'm going to go get it done. And then when you show up at the office and there's someone that's got a big box of donuts that they're giving away for free, by the way, it's almost like an insult not to take them. But when you've already gotten up early, you had the discipline there, you already worked out, you had the discipline there, and now you see the box of donuts, you're like, no, I'm not going to eat the donuts. And that discipline carries on throughout the day. So now you take that and you expand that out over a week and a month, and you end up with more discipline. And it starts with that simple act of getting up and getting out of bed in the morning.
It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up, baby girl. It's time to straighten up your crown and get your life back. Understand me with what I'm saying. It's time to straighten up your crown and get your life back. Cause you know better than I know that you cannot give up. You can't afford to give up. You got people depending on you. You got people looking up to you. You got your own dreams. You got your own goals. You cannot afford to give up. Cause I understand that life might hit you. Life is going to hit you. You are not special when it comes to that. And you know what? Life sometimes will knock you on your ass. It will knock you on your ass. And you know what? Sometimes the best thing to do is sit there for a second. Sit there to understand why life knocks you down. Cause you will get knocked down. Sit there for a second. Understand it. For when you get back up, you are ready. And I'm telling you that you are ready. You are ready to conquer everything that you have not been able to conquer. So understand me right now. I don't care what it is. It could be baby daddy issues. It could be boyfriend issues. I'm trying to tell you right now that that's his loss. That is his loss. Understand your worth. Understand your value. Understand where you came from. I don't care what it could be. It could be financial issues. Understand what I'm telling you right now, that you will not be able to get to where you want to get to until you wake up. You could have lost somebody special in your family. Understand that I lost somebody special. I lost my daddy, but I need to wake up. I need to live for him. You need to live for him or her. Live for him, win for them. But it's time to wake up. They don't want to see you suffer. Baby girl, you're not gonna lose because you got knocked down. Baby girl, you lose because you stayed down. So straighten up that crown, queen, and wake up.
The way you can change is you have to put aside enough money to give yourself a window. And then you have to have a plan. And you have to spend all your waking hours outside of whatever shit job you do planning your escape. And you have to come to the realization very clearly that you fucked up and you got yourself stuck. So whatever you're doing, you have to do it like your life depends on it.
I learned very young from my parents, absolutely, that you don't try to build a wall. You don't set out to build a wall. You don't say, I'm going to build the biggest, baddest, greatest wall that's ever been built. You don't start there. You say, I'm going to lay this brick as perfectly as a brick can be laid. There will not be one brick on the face of the earth that's going to be laid better than this brick that I'm going to lay in this next 10 minutes. Yeah. And you do that every single day. And soon you have a wall. And soon you have a wall.
It's about heart. You come to a place where, being smart ain't enough. You got to have heart. That's why I wake up every morning at 2 o'clock, 2:30, because I got my mama counting on me. I got my sister counting on me. I got my son and my daughter counting on me. I got a world that gets up every morning and watches me. Stop being this high school dropout. Stop giving up. Stop sleeping on the street. Stop walking up and down Finkel Avenue like you ain't got nothing, and get your GED. Stop being afraid to take a test. Stop being afraid to go to college because your daddy didn't go and your mama didn't go. I don't do well in math. You're right. You ain't never studied. I'm not good in writing because you have never written before. You can't get through a writing class and you got tutor after tutor, resource after resource. The problem is you ain't never felt no pain before. You're soft. It's a soft generation. You quit on everything. You have to give it everything you got. No more TV, no more parties, no more playing. If you don't have a 4.0, what you need to be doing is studying it. And when you get to the point where all you want to do is be successful, as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful. And I'm here to tell you, number one, that most of you say you want to be successful, but you don't want it bad. You just kind of want it. You don't want it badder than you want to party. You don't want it as much as you want to be cool. Most of you don't want success as much as you want to sleep. Some of you love sleep more than you love success. And I'm here to tell you today, if you're going to be successful, you've got to be willing to give up sleep.